Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing collard greens today. Yes, I'm taking the shortcut. I'm using the stuff in the bag. I'm making this as easy as possible. We got ourselves a nice little smoked turkey leg. We got our seasonings. We got vinegar. We got an onion, guys, garlic, easy schmeezy. I'm gonna bring you right back when we get started. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the easy part. We got a pot of water, right? I'm gonna put our turkey wing or drum inside the water, and I'm gonna cook this for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, so this way it gets nice and soft. I don't like to cook my collard greens to mush, so my collard greens will go about 45 minutes or so, so this needs to cook a little bit longer so it can fall apart in the greens. So I'm gonna put this on heat and we'll be back in about an hour. All right, guys, it's been about an hour now, and this is where we're at. You can see where we started, right? We lost that much water, and the meat is somewhat tender, right? So now let's get ready for our collard greens, okay? All right, guys, I got some leftover bacon. I'm just gonna go in, pan with it. 2 strips is enough. You know what, I might as well just use it all. So since you're just leaving 2 strips, I'm gonna go with 4. Once that renders, I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, our bacon is cooked up. I'm not worried about cooking them too much. Just getting the flavor out of them. Pulling that out now, and I'm gonna go in with our bacon. Now we're gonna go in with our onions. You just want to get the flavors out of the onions, right? All right, we're right about there. And then just a little bit closer. Now I'm gonna just go in with some water from our turkey. Deglaze the bottom of this pan. Clean the bottom of that pan up. A lot of flavor there. All right, and now we're just gonna go in with some more stock, right? A little turkey stock. All right, now I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna let this come up to a boil. I'm not gonna fill this up all the way with water. I'm gonna put our collard greens in. We're gonna keep turning the collard greens until they get, shrink down, and then we'll fill up with water. So, be right back. All right, guys. I kind of didn't turn the camera on, but we dumped all our collard greens in, right? And we're just gonna turn this. Gonna bring this from the bottom to the top. We're gonna let this start to shrink up on us, right? Let's add some more liquid. Add some more of our turkey stock. Now that turkey stock is warm, so we're not dropping the temperature down by much. And guys, this is a 2-pound bag. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with the rest of this turkey stock. Go in with our turkey drum. And then, guys, we're gonna go in with some better than bouillon, right? I'm gonna go 2 heaping teaspoons, like that. All right, we can always come back and add more if we need to later. All right, guys, now we're gonna go in with some granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon. Some onion powder, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of Lawry's. A little bit of pepper flakes. And a dab of vinegar. That's enough. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of Red Devil. And give that a spin. Guys, I'm gonna add some more water to this because this is gonna evaporate on us. So I'm just gonna bring the water level up a little bit. Then we're gonna add our bacon back. All right, guys, I'm just gonna let this go about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then we'll come back. I like my greens on the tougher side. All right, guys, it's actually been about an hour, so let's take a quick look here. Now, I did come back in 30 minutes, right? I came back in 30 minutes, I added a little bit more water and some salt. Guys, here's our greens. All right, so let's just go ahead and break up some of this turkey. Man, it falls right apart. All right, guys, you see that bone is nice and clean, right? Got most of the meat off of there. All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a taste. A piece of this turkey. All right, guys, here we go. Guys, this is really decent. Let me give you guys a quick flyover. And there's our greens, guys. Nice big pot of greens. Guys, like, subscribe. It's holiday time, it's winter time. It's time to, you know, get your collard greens going. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.